So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about ITC share. So there are few updates regarding ITC, whether it may be regarding ESOPs, which the company had discussed yesterday in the BSE website. So we'll download that particular PDF and we'll go through how much amount of equity shares are being allotted under this ESOPs and what actually is ESOP. That also we'll discuss with a sample case study, and then we'll discuss about the various speculations which are running around ITC, especially regarding demerger. So we know that since few days, even when market was in little downtrend, so our ITC stock was rallying very well and it was obeying all the levels. So we'll try to do the volume analysis as well as technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first starting with the update regarding ITC. So before that, I want to tell you that all the stocks which we are discussing are recommended in Instagram. That is, people who are having maximum doubts regarding any stock. So I'm taking all the requests and making a separate video. So if you're also having any doubt, you can message me in Instagram. So we'll try to clarify all your doubts. So first we can see that regarding ESOPs, you can see allotment of shares under companies employees stock options. So previous videos also, whether it may be regarding Subex or Crompton Greaves, in that also we have seen regarding this ESOPs. So what actually are this ESOPs? So ESOPs stands for Employees Stock Option Schemes, where the company employees will receive certain shares for working in the company. So let me explain this with a simple example. Let's say you're working in a company A for let's say you're a fresher. So and you have been working for continuously since 2 years, but you're not being benefited anything apart from salary. So you're getting only basic salary, but you're not satisfied with that because the company is also performing exceptionally well, generating good profit. So you're expecting something new, right? So the company employer, basically the company owner, so they will give a ESOP. So what is ESOPs? They'll give the shares of the company. So let's say you're joined as a fresher. So let's say you're joined as a fresher on 2020. So next 2 years you're working continuously. The company is also generating profits. So you'll ask the company employer that I want ESOPs so that I can get some additional benefits for working in this company because the basic salary is not sufficient. So the company employer will tell that, okay, I will give you certain shares, okay, of the company that you can take after certain period of time, not on that particular day. So he'll tell that if you work for additional 3 years, so then I'll give you the company shares. So the date when he tells this is known as grant date, and when he gives after 3 years is what is called options exercising. So this is called option date. So he'll give option to the employer that you will be getting shares after next 3 years, but you need to work for the company till 3 years. If you leave in between, so definitely you will not be getting those benefits. So that is what is known as ESOPs. So the options which are given on grant date and being exercised after certain years of time, where it is known as ESOPs. So we have discussed earlier also. So what is the basic thing regarding this? So companies which generate continuous profits, for them it is not a big deal. So the employee on that particular day when he wants to exercise, so they'll exercise by paying a certain amount, let's say 10 rupees, 20 rupees per share, and they will take that. So in this particular thing also, you can see issued the company on 20th March 2021 and allotted roughly around 9,74,460 ordinary shares at rupees 1. You can see here 1 upon exercise of 97,446 options are being exercised. So at a certain period of time, I told you, right, they will exercise those options. So that is the major update provided by them. Okay, so apart from that, you can also see they have mentioned below that the company share capital has also increased certainly. So that is again one thing to be noted. Okay, so apart from that, many people are asking why ITC stock was rallying. So many stocks are in correction. Why especially IT is in focus? So major stocks are showing 4%, 5% correction. So there was a speculative approach in this. So you can see that the company has also released a letter regarding this, that on 17th March, afterwards, whatever the movement we have seen in ITC, especially regarding demerger. So what is demerger? Splitting the businesses, like cigarette business separate, food business separate, books business separate. So like that, they wanted to diversify. So when that speculative news has come in the market, the stock has also started going up. So again, the company has confirmed that this is speculative in nature. So officially nothing has been confirmed. So basically these things keep happening in the market, but we should always follow a set of pattern. So ITC, there is nothing wrong in investing. So this is, we can say, a golden stock. Only when correction happens, you need to accumulate and just leave it for long term. So then only you will get some great returns. Okay, so those were the few updates regarding ITC. Hope you have understood regarding ESOPs. I've explained in a simple manner, and also regarding the speculative approach which is going on around it. So apart from that, if you see, FII's holding in the December 2020 quarter has also increased considerably. So earlier we know that little decrease was present, but again the FII's holding has started increasing. Okay, so if you see day-to-day wise volume analysis, clearly you can see on 19th March, you can see the volume was spiking more than 120 million, and you can see the traded quantity was huge because volatility was huge when this particular speculative approach was going on. So little profit booking was seen, but again it has closed in positive side. Apart from that, if you see date, if you compare previous days, also little deliverable quantities have also considerably increased. So let me take you to that particular thing as well. So you can see that the continuous movement was seen in the stock. So from 16th March 1%, 1.3, 3.3, again 2.4% closing was seen on 19th March, and you can see traded volume has also increased. So little when we go to technical charts, we'll see what are the supports, but you need to understand that little traded quantity is increasing, so implies volatility is present in the stock. So be cautious if you're doing any intraday trading, or if you're already holding any options, then you need to trade cautiously. So if you message me, I'll try to clarify all your doubts. So now let's see the technical charts, because that is very important. So now let's switch over to that. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So you can see this is the one-day chart of ITC. So you can see currently it is near 222.95 and 2.44 positive movement was seen. Okay, so basically if you go down a little bit, you can see two lines. So one is 50-day exponential moving average and another one is 200-day exponential moving average. So it has been respecting the 200-day. From there a considerable retracement was seen. Okay, so earlier we know that little downtrend, continuous downtrend was seen from 240 rupees level, and it has obeyed here. You can see a double bottom pattern has been formed. So technicals are well and good. So in these particular stocks, technicals will be obeyed very well, but you need to have an entry at the right time. So now it is facing a little resistance near 225. Okay, so 225 little resistance it is facing. So if it crosses that 225, then definitely next immediate target would be, first would be 230, after that immediate 240. Okay, 230 would be the first target, after that immediate would be the 240 in midterm to short term. Okay, so what is the support? So that is also very important. So clear support is 215 rupees. Okay, 215 is the clear support. Targets wise, 225 it should break that, because little resistance is being faced. So after that 230 and 240 would be achieved. So if you want to buy, you can take 215 as a very good support. Okay, so there if you go further down, you also have the 50-day exponential moving average, which will be again a crucial support. So money flow index also, you can see it has gone little up. It is spiking upward mainly because of the buying which was seen in previous days, and also the deliveries which are being taken on a regular basis. So Monday market is definitely worth watching. So either gap up or either gap down, whatever happens, but you need to find the stocks which are having good future potential, and you need to grab that opportunity. So I'll discuss all the stocks which can be added today in the Telegram also. So set of 10 stocks I'll post in Telegram. So if you want to watch them, add to your watch list, and if you want to trade accordingly, trade with your own analysis. Okay, so this is basically about ITC. So this is in one-day chart. So let's see in 1 week chart as well. Okay, so in 1 week chart also you can see very good levels are being obeyed. So where it is taking the support near the 50-day exponential moving average. So continuous every day, you can say every week, basically every week it is obeying that particular 50-day. Then why not to add at that particular level? So that level was 204. So whenever it has touched that, it has shown the retracement. So that is the essence of technicals. So where the resistance is since it has given closing little above that, but now again the 239 as I discussed, so that is the next immediate target for it. So if it breaks that 239 or 240 rupees level, again it will start its rally. So try to accumulate. So nothing we can say major negatives are there, so little speculative approach is there, but as I discussed, it's a golden stock. So whenever correction happens, try to accumulate in small portions. Depends upon you. Do your own analysis. Money flow index in weekly chart also, it has settled a little bit. Again it is trying to retrace. So further, if you're having any doubts regarding ITC, you can message me in the comment section, or you can message me in Instagram as well. So until then, take care. Bye bye.